Professor Worgley's here. Moving on through the slides, we just talked about where JavaScript should be placed. We're now going to talk about where the script tag can go. The JavaScript script tag should go in the head or the body. You can place any number of scripts in an HTML document, but the script tag must be placed in the head or the body section of an HTML page or in both, but only in these two sections. The browser may compile other locations for JavaScript, but it's not proper programming techniques. I'll see students all the time. They'll put it all the way up at the top, or they'll put it all the way at the end of an HTML document. And the browser, let's say Chrome, it's actually pretty smart, so it may handle that for you, but that's not following proper programming techniques. And if you did that in a job interview, they're going to know that you don't know what you're doing. So it's good to follow proper programming techniques. Now, placing scripts at the bottom of the body element will actually improve the display speed because script compilation slows down the display. We're going to talk about this more in a little bit and actually have some examples for you. So the JavaScript will go in the script tag, and the script tag can be in the head or the body. Now, here's an example of it in the head. I don't have all the HTML tags, but you can imagine this. I have my doc type, and then I have my HTML start tag, and then my head, and here comes the script. Inside the script, I have a function called myFunction. You'll see this document keyword. I'm referencing the DOM. We're going to use the getElementById method, looking for ID demo. And I'm going to change the inner HTML of that element to paragraph change. Now it's going to come down to the body. It's going to load this paragraph tag. It's going to set the ID equal to demo, and it's going to default to a paragraph. Now I'm going to load this button. The button has an on click, so this is going to be a JavaScript event. I'm going to click on the button, and it's going to call my function, which is up here, and that's when the paragraph tag will be changed. So by default, it's going to say a paragraph. I click on the button. It's going to then come up here in the script tag and change it to paragraph changed. And the inner HTML is going to be, here's the start paragraph tag and the close paragraph tag. The inner HTML is this text in between. Now, why would it be quicker if it's loaded in the body? Think about what we just did. We started at the top. We're loading sequentially. We just loaded this JavaScript, but the body hasn't loaded yet, so I can't change anything. It's going to come down to the body. It's going to load the paragraph tag, load the button. Then when I click the button, it's going to go back up and execute that JavaScript function. Now, if I put it at the bottom of the body, I don't need to go back up and execute that function. It's actually below, like in this example. So in this example, I don't have the scripts in the head. I go down, I load the doc type, I load the HTML, I load the head, whatever's in there, I load the body. Then I load the paragraph tag, the button. I click the button, it goes to the line below and loads the function. So I keep executing down. Now remember, HTML loads sequentially. So if I place these scripts at the bottom of the body element, it's going to improve the display speed because script compilation slows down the display. I have to load all these scripts, and then I load the body, and then I come back up and load the scripts again. So why load the scripts in the first place? First load the body, and then load the scripts. That way the page loads immediately. And then when I click the button, it goes down below and loads the function call. Okay, so that's why it's going to improve the speed. Now we're going to talk about different places we can put JavaScript. Stick with Professor Worgley's, and we'll see you in the next video.